Hello, this is my prototype for FMV games. Made this in a week here. There's still a bunch of things I want to do to it, but I just kind of wanted to show it off here and how it works and how I'm trying to design it to be as easy for basically anyone to go in, add scenes, and be done with it. So let me go ahead and show how this works here. We'll go ahead and launch the game. And once it loads in here, it should start playing a cutscene. This would be where you do like your start game, scene, etc., and so forth. I sped up the timer so they're a little bit quicker instead of going through the whole video. So I'm just going to grab one here and go. So you can see you have 4 lives at the start up there, 100 health. It was 3, but the choice there gave a plus life. And then we're going to go to the next scene here. And you should see the timer is a little bit longer on this one for things to pop up.
Oh, you want to fight?
You can see we lost life at the top. We didn't get any points because it was a wrong answer choice. And here it pops up with this. We'll go ahead and pick a different one here. So let's see here.
Oh, no.
And as you can see, it's kind of looping back and forth between the choices because I haven't really set it up. So now I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up a scene for this. I'm going to take an existing scene here. I'm just going to copy it. I'm going to name it Scene 3. We're going to go into Scene 3 here, and we're going to change the names thing. So I'm just going to do dogs, because that's going to be the choice for the name there. I'm going to set this to be Scene 3. Well, actually, this should go back to Scene 1, because I want to have it loop. I'm going to change the video to be the appropriate video that matches. We have a dog one here, so we'll go with that. Background image really isn't used right now, but instead of having just plain text for your answer, if you wanted to use like a fancy image or something, you could insert an image in here and use it that way instead, essentially. You can set the number of points it's worth. I'm going to set this to 1,000. We're going to give it a 1 life bonus. You can set that between 1, 0, and basically anything else. We'll leave these other ones the same, but I'm just going to change the name so you know it's Scene 3. And down here, I'm going to call this Scene 3-2. And we'll check this the correct, so we know it's the correct answer. Ideally, you would set these all to go to different scenes, which would have different videos and options and changing within them. But like I said, quick demo of how it works. Go ahead and save this. Go back to Scene 2. And we're going to set these to go to the next scene after. And you can see at the bottom down here, oops, not that, I want Scene 3. You can see at the bottom down here that we have like checkpoints, game overs, stuff like that you're basically going to use, but there's a timer countdown function, so if you want timers to have only a certain amount of time before people could respond to it, that's a thing you can do. If you want to have a show timer for when they pop up, you can change that and how quick that should be for the videos and so forth. So now that we've got that done, we should be able to go and play it again here. And this should hopefully demonstrate like what we want. Let's go find out.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to episode 1
and again, the game plays.
of Jerma.
We'll click
series.
This one here. We'll go with Jerma Slap.
Oh, you want to fight?
And then the new scene should pop up here shortly.
Oh.
And as you can see, Scene 3, Scene 3-2. Gonna go ahead and click on dogs. New scene pops up here. And then we should loop back to, I believe, Scene 1. And yep, back to Scene 1 here. Go back to this guy. And that's pretty much it. So it's pretty easy to add new scenes as long as you have the videos and you know what you're doing.